Sun sköttiasema rinne Uudenmaankatu 9 Lahti selkeäseen. The 1959 8281. Three pounds, so 240 kilograms.
It's the daylight.
Yeah.
Sadly this hasn't got any windows. Oh wow. So rare.
Yeah. Is it? It's possible to change staircase roughly. If there's staircase, but then so probably it's just two staircase.
Yeah. Niin se pitäisi kiva, jos pitää meitä vai Suomen hissiurakointi. If this would have a window, it would be so amazing.
Yeah.
Maybe when this will get modernized. Because it has windows to the outside.
Yeah.